Pretty funny, man. He's in there right now getting some tacos, so we shall pick Steve up and his crew and hit the water. Steve said I saved him so Mark he'd be dying. Towing upwind this morning, brutal. Little trout. So we're trying to wean Dallas here off of live bait. I'm trying to show him how to utilize Fight Club and things of that nature. 16th ounce slow drop, whip whip. Fish on. Oh, think you got a keeper. All right, man. Coming in hot. Oh yeah, good job, man. That's a keeper.
It is.
All right, there you go. That's a good one. Woo, definitely a keeper.
Yeah.
Is he hooked good? Look at him, tail walking like a tarpon, man. That's like a 17. Just grab the leader and fling him in the boat. It's probably you probably got a 17 or so. There you go.
That felt good.
Good job, man.
Yeah, I locked in. Felt good.
Woo! Man, that's a good fish.
I got the blood pumping.
You got some good slime on that lure. I keep that
He's smelling.
menhaden stuff on it.
Right?
Once you catch one, you
He had something down his gullet.
Yeah, yeah.
I was right. I came through the grass.
Right.
I could feel it and feel it.
It's all quiet too.
Hey Ty, I don't want to make any sudden movements. I'm coming over to you. You left your camera on the front. Maybe.
That's a good fish, bro. What? That just happened. That's a good fish. So they're out, you know, they're out 80 yards. Yeah, I can't even turn him. Holy, whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's a huge gator trout. I don't have my net. It's a gator. Please stay on. It is a oh, it's a gator trout. Oh, she's huge, dude. She's huge. I think I got a pretty good hook set though. Not ready. Fish bites on freaking real, dude. I got a good hook set. It's a gator. Unreal, dude. That's my PB. We are setting records today. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Holy cow.
On the Fish Bites paddle tail. Woo! That ties my personal best.
What a beast. Oh,
I did have it on a lighter color.
This is my PB for Texas right here, people. I've been grinding huge baits all winter trying to catch a gator. Here I am in the spring, not even trying to do it, and catch one on a paddle tail. What?
That's crazy.
Unreal. So, I mean, I was working about 80 yards off the bank, 3 to 4 feet of water, peck, 16th ounce letting it fall. Wham! See this big head shaker come up, look like a tarpon. We're out here catching 13, 14, 16, 17 trout. Did not expect this today. Did not expect it, but it's always the nasty days that produce the gators. I don't know why. We're not gonna keep her, we're gonna put her back. I don't keep anything over 22, 23. This is a breeding population fish, and yes, sir. I'm glad Steve was with me today. Steve and Michael. This is a big moment for me. I have not broke the 23 curse since I moved back to Texas. Here she is. As excited as I was about this trout, she's a big breeder. I want to let her go. There's plenty more smaller fish we can keep for meat. Let's send her back to the abyss. Thanks, Steve.
Thanks, sir.
Steve has just been so bogged down with work and family, he hasn't been able to fish like he wants to. I was so happy to see him start grinding and catch some of these nice fish. He just got a good keeper trout. Here he was throwing a wreck boat and pulled out this nice keeper redfish. Yes, sir. Good job.
And it just didn't move. And then it jumped, and I knew it was fish.
So what a morning with Steve and Michael, man. They always say that the nasty days are the days the bigger trout are caught. I never could really tell the difference. I mean, sometimes I noticed, but for the most part, I couldn't really tell the difference on nasty good days versus good days. But today, that old myth proved to be true.
I got the blood pumping.